Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the pillager in Minecraft. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and we're gonna start out with the head. So it's just gonna be almost like a square, but it's gonna be slightly longer. It's gonna be a rectangle. So we're gonna start at the top. This is gonna be the width of his head. And then we'll come down just a little bit longer. Okay, and then once we have this shape, we can't close it off first because it's got this little beak area. So here's the center. If I come down slightly, like a little line, and then now I'll come down, just come past this point here, and then we'll close that off. Alright, and then now we can close this whole head off. So it should stop right around here. Okay, so that's the head shape, and now everything else is a little bit easier to draw. So we're gonna start out with his eyes. So in this corner here, just come up, just draw one rectangle right on the corner. So same thing on the other side. Alright, and then to make his eyes, just divide it up. And we'll see a little bit better once I color these. So this one's gonna be like green. Okay, and then for the brow area, we'll just extend this all the way out. Right here, just make one little block. So one angle, and then one more going up, and let's go all the way across. So this part's gonna be black. Alright, and then to finish up the details here, just come right about the midpoint of this line. Let's draw a little rectangle on the side. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. So the body is basically almost, yeah, pretty close to a square. So I'm just extending it down and then close it off. And let's just add one line right here. Okay, and then let's finish up the belt, and we can add in some details inside. So for the belt, I'm gonna extend it just a little bit. Draw a big rectangle. So this is gonna be his belt. And then to finish off the details, the buckle right here, just two lines. And then a center, just a rectangle. Okay, and then let's finish up the details up here on his shirt. So just come down with a little angle like this. And then once you have this 2 point, just come straight down and close it off. Alright, so now let's draw his arms, and his arms really easy, so it's just basically one long rectangle. So I'm going to start right around here and just have it come out slightly. So just slant it out, and then now I'm just going to make it one long rectangle. So let's draw the same thing on the other side. So same thing here, just slant it out. Alright, and then for the details in here, just gonna add two lines right here, and then one on the top. Two lines and then one on the top. So I'm simplifying it. Okay, so let's move on down, and I'll draw in this bow later. Let's come down to the leg area first. So right here it's got some kind of wrapping, some kind of cloth. So I just flare out, just slant it in, and then I'm going to come to the middle right here, draw one line, come down, And then whatever space you have in here, just come across and then close it. Okay, and then for his legs, so here's the center. I'm just gonna come off to the side slightly, and then again I'm gonna slant it out, and I'll make that into one long rectangle going up. So it's gonna be right behind the cloth area. Okay, so here's the center again. I'm gonna come across, slant down, just use the other side for reference. Same thing here, just tuck it behind the cloth. Alright, and then for the details here, this one's slightly different. Just start on the side here. Just come in, and then whatever space you have here, just one little angle. Okay, 2 lines. And then let's add one more line here for the boot. Okay, and then for the crossbow here, we'll just simplify it because we're seeing it from the side. So I'm just gonna extend this line here. It's just gonna be one long rectangle right on the side of the arm. And then on the tip here, I'm just gonna add one little rectangle. And that is it for this pillager in Minecraft. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.